Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, so I saw this tool on the job site, and like right when I saw it, I was like, this is freaking awesome. Shout out to the dude that saved me. My tire went flat, and he jumped out with one of these things and was like, oh, here we go, and pumped my tire up really quick, and then I was able to get it fixed. That was really awesome. This tool is a lifesaver. Plugs in. It's got the M12 system. It's 1 gallon. Like I say, that's all you really need for air pressure is 1 gallon. This thing worked out great. I mean, it saved my butt that morning, and really appreciate the gentleman that saved my butt with it. But the whole thing is that this could be a good thing for like a electrician on job site. A lot of times we shove air pressure through conduit lines to try to see where they're going and stuff like that. You might be able to blow a jet line through there. But this is a really good tool. I think it came out pretty recently. I haven't, when he popped out with it, I was like, whoa, where did you get that? And I thought it was really cool. So I just wanted to do a review on it. And I want to recommend everyone to go out and get the Milwaukee M12 1 gallon vertical portable handheld air compressor this week. So